These are the top 10 adventure activities in India. Surfing. Ride the waves in Kovalam, Kerala, Goa, and Pondicherry. These coastal spots offer consistent waves, warm waters, and a vibrant surfing community. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced surfer, you'll find suitable conditions and surf schools to enhance your skills. Best time, October to April. Hot air ballooning. Enjoy serene and panoramic views from a hot air balloon in Jaipur, Rajasthan, Lonavala, Maharashtra, and Hampi, Karnataka. Float over historic forts, lush valleys, and ancient ruins, experiencing the beauty of India from a unique perspective. Best time, October to March. Wildlife Safari. Go on a wildlife safari in Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand, Ranthambore National Park, Rajasthan, and Kaziranga National Park, Assam. Spot tigers, elephants, rhinos, and a variety of bird species in their natural habitats. These safaris offer a close-up view of India's rich wildlife diversity. Best time, October to June, depending on the park. Rock climbing. Challenge yourself with rock climbing in Hampi, Karnataka, Satpura, Madhya Pradesh, and Sheh Rock, Ladakh. Each location offers unique climbing experiences, from Hampi's boulders to Satpura sandstone cliffs and Ladakh's high-altitude routes. Best time, cooler months, depending on the region. Skiing. Ski down the snowy slopes of Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir, Oli, Uttarakhand, and Solang Valley, Himachal Pradesh. These destinations offer well-maintained slopes, modern facilities, and stunning winter landscapes, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced skiers. Best time, December to March. Bungee jumping. Test your nerves with bungee jumping in Rishikesh, Lonavala, and Jagdalpur. Jump from heights of up to 83 meters and experience an adrenaline rush like no other. These locations follow strict safety protocols to ensure a thrilling yet safe experience. Available year-round, with cooler months being more comfortable. Scuba diving. Dive into the vibrant underwater world of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, and Goa. Explore coral reefs, marine life, and shipwrecks in clear, warm waters. These destinations offer diving courses for all levels, from beginners to advanced divers. Best time, November to April. Paragliding. Fly high above picturesque landscapes in Bir Biling, Himachal Pradesh, Solang Valley, Manali, and Nainital. Paragliding offers an exhilarating experience with breathtaking aerial views. Bir Biling, known as the paragliding capital of India, provides excellent conditions for both beginners and experienced paragliders. Best time, October to June. River rafting. Experience the thrill of river rafting in India's top spots, the Ganges in Rishikesh, the Zinskar River in Ladakh, and the Teesta River in Sikkim. Navigate through challenging rapids while enjoying the scenic beauty of the surrounding landscapes. Best time varies by location, typically Rishikesh, September to June, Ladakh, June to September. Trekking. Discover the beauty of the Himalayas through trekking. Popular trails include Triand and Hempada Pass in Himachal Pradesh and Roopkund and Valley of Flowers in Uttarakhand. These treks offer stunning mountain views, diverse flora, and a chance to explore remote villages. Best time, May to October.